So today we're gonna go install some coilovers on my boy's Mazda 3, but we're gonna go to my boy's shop to go install that shit. So I'll start recording when I get over there.
Go get this.
Hurry up, pussy. The Mama Lowski. Ooh, looking like a slut. Oh shit, they watch it. Anyways, see this right here? I'll dust that shit slow. The RX-7, I'll dust that shit. Oh shit, what happened? Go, open it up.
Fucking shit.
Open it up.
Because I'm faster than you, don't mean that.
You still opening it? Kiss trash. So you got staples too, man?
Make sure you keep all the horsepower in, right?
Yikes. Shit, I would have been had that open, just saying. This guy. Box inside of a box here.
Type no art. Ooh.
That didn't give you the wrong coilovers, buddy.
Daddy?
Don't let it, right? Air suspension, right?
Yep. Get out of there. How? House way. Bro.
That's green, right?
No, it's blue, David.
Is it?
No, it's green.
It's a joke, nigga.
Sheesh.
That's how you know they're quality coilovers, man. They come with fucking other stuff too for free. Yikes.
You got yokes.
I thought those shits were dampening adjustment. Oh, like that? I never seen that before.
I never really put on coilovers.
The top to this shit have something like that. Check the top of this. Okay, see, this one has the little clicks. Oh, that little camera thing too. Hey.
So dude, is it back here?
Oh no.
It has little camera things too.
Fancy.
Must be nice.
Fancy.
I have to get up now.
Ready? Crack. Ooh, did they crack? Get old.
Ooh, and I've been had this since high school.
Get old, my guy.
Had this since high school. Jeez, you had that cake since high school too, huh? didn't even jingle. Oh my god, didn't even jiggle at all.
Because I didn't set it to.
Shut the fuck up.
Because I didn't set it on.
Pick that box up, pussy. Hurry up.
Yo.
Hurry up.
What do you have to be so mean about?
Hold on, where's my ready? Oh, hurry up, bro.
Yo, suck my dick.
I got niggas to fuck and bitches to diss.
Oh, that's real.
I know you're just gonna drag it.
I'm better than that, dude.
Oh shit.
Lift with your knees, not your back, or is it your back and not your knees?
Both.
About a 17 or something? Oh, they're not like inside like some other cars?
Yeah, there we go. El Diablo. Yeah, so you're gonna definitely go low.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Whoa. Out with the ode.
Yo no. Whoa. David, I'm not free, bro. I'm not free, my guy. Don't car. Yo! How deep are you gonna go, bro?
Oh, my fault.
I charge by the inch.
Yeah, that's not even an inch.
They don't got a lot.
I felt like it.
How much you charge?
By the inch.
How much?
You gotta show me how much you got, cause depends how much I'm willing to take. $10 for you. That's not that bad.
Not low enough. It's not even on the floor yet. Nah, not the rear. Jack's over there in the front, isn't it? Just slam it down. Wow. Yeah. That shit was so stiff, man. It
Could be lower. Not high, right? Man, I need to step my down like that.
That's what she said.
That's your boy, nigga.
Diablo Franci, right on the camera, bro. Okay, sad, man. Let me see, is it low enough? Nah.
I like the back's lower than the front.
It takes a little bit. It looks a little bit like that, but it should be good. Shit is like a monster truck, bro. See that piece of shit? Mine is lower. Taking an 8-hour drive to get some wheels for the Mazda. So I'm just gonna record it.
G's for your truck right now.
Nigga, the fuck?
We walking, right?
We're taking the Peter Pan bus back home.
Yo, what the fuck? What's back money? That shit's
Damn, Bobby!
I got a better camera already anyways.
My phone? Fancy dicks! The dicks all over my mouth! Yo, these shits are fake, just letting you guys know.
Left onto Green Street, then turn right onto Washington Street. Head northeast towards South Pennsylvania Avenue, then turn left onto South Pennsylvania.
I wonder how this is gonna taste. It's called peanut butter.
Wakey. Finally made it home after 8 hours. These are the wheels. They're basically brand new tires. We'll put them on tomorrow and I'll do some cinematics for the Mazda. But yeah, the coilovers are not bad. Good for the price. Could be better.
That was the same problem.
Yeah. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to cop it as well. That's the end of the video. Deuces.